Welcome, everyone. This is episode 4, I believe, of the Gaming Chat with Valentin and Matt. Had an extremely busy week last week. We headed out to New York City for the Masari event. Interesting times, met with a lot of people, not just at the crypto event, lots of gamers as well, super bullish on what we're looking to build out. So that was kind of really positive. This week, we are wanting to talk about our event, which is the WEB3WAR beta event. I think we've done a lot of talking over the past few months. Is getting now down to the business end of what we have started. So I don't know, Valentin, do you want to talk to the audience around the significance of this beta event?
Yeah, hi all. Hi Matt, happy to be here. Well, as promised, we finished the whole alpha version work that we planned all the way in May this year, and we managed to get in early October. And as promised, we are starting the beta events, which for October, it's actually the closed beta events where anybody actually, we call it closed events, but we thought that, look, we are getting already more than 1,000 people willing to join the event. So we said, let's do it. Let's open basically these events. But in respect to the features, everybody needs to understand that we still have bugs to fix. We still have some missing small features that we intentionally left them behind a bit so we can add them now. Still, next Friday, meaning the 7th of October, noon, UK time, the servers, the download links, the game itself will be open and ready for everybody to join the game, the matches, the multiplayer matches. So feel free to ask us anything, to drop questions on our Discord channel, on Twitter, on LinkedIn, on any kind of social media in respect to this event until it starts. And as a big surprise, actually, the whole event for this upcoming week will be for the whole weekend. And then the next weekend, another event, and then another event. So basically, from now on, all the way to the ground opening, each weekend there will be an open event where everybody can join. Still, I need everybody to understand that this is the very first one. The focus for this event will be in Web3WAR for the multiplayer part on only one of the maps. The one that you guys have seen, I think, in the videos called the containers. It's one of the usual environments that most other FPS games are doing. We have our own iteration on that. And this is only the first event, once again. In the upcoming weeks, we're going to open more features, and so on. So while we are progressing in the open events, many other stuff will be available for everybody to test.
Yeah, and if anybody can spot Matt and Valentin's name on one of the containers, I might have a cheeky little hoodie top for you.
Yep.
So good hunting. So yeah, I think this was really just a kind of a quick update for the week. I think we're getting to the business end, as I kind of mentioned earlier on the call, looking to open the door, show people what we've been up to. Really exciting moment in the progression of what Valentin and the business has been doing. So super bullish on that. And yeah, the last takeaway is join the Discord and make sure you turn up and join up into the event. Again, thanks very much for tuning in. Appreciate your support as always, and look forward to seeing you next Friday. Thank you.